All right, guys, we're doing 2024 Bowman Chrome Baseball Hobby and Choice. 2-box tiered teams, random teams break number 18. Thank you for joining in. Thank you again for your support of Firehand Cards. We appreciate you guys very, very much. We got a box each here of Hobby and Choice. 2 lucky participants will win themselves a sealed pack of 2020 Bowman Hobby Baseball. We'll draw one out at the end of the break. Roll the die here. We'll determine how many times we randomize the list of participants and teams for the 2 boxes. And each spot in the break gets you 2 teams. 1 team each from an A tier and a B tier. Add 1 to the next roll. Excuse me. All right, 1 plus 2 makes 3. All right, JB bottom, War Trojan top. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. All righty, Scott Yearsley top, Michael Hart at the bottom. All right, A tier, Astros top, Yankees bottom, 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3. Astros back at the top, Yankees back at the bottom somehow. All right, and B tier, Angels top, White Sox bottom. 1, 2, 3. Rockies top, Mariners bottom. Touchdown SMU. All right, Blade, Cubs Athletics. Doug Brown, Braves, Giants, Reds, Pirates, Nationals, and Red Sox. Gump, Mets, Angels. JB, Padres, Rays. JLT, Rangers, Cardinals. Kevin Locke, Dodgers, Tigers. Michael Hart, Orioles, Brewers, Yankees, Blue Jays, White Sox, and Mariners. Mike Futrell, Stafford, Twins, Diamondbacks, Guardians, and Royals. Scott Yearsley, Astros, Rockies. War Trojan, Phillies, Marlins. All right. I did draw you to Braves. That wasn't intentional. You know that, Doug. Oh man, you know I want to do that to you. If you were drawn to Braves and to Brewers, that would have been awful. Let's get the choice box out of here, too. There we go. Perfect. All right, let's get it. Yoshi, Ricky. Yolfran Castillo for the Rangers, purple auto 250. Going to jail 144. Jackson Holiday base. Jose Castro, blue to 150 for the Yankees. Michael Hart gets that one. Junior. Nehomar Ochoa Jr. for the Astros. Base autograph going to Scott Yearsley. Refractor Francisco Velorio for the Yankees. Number to 499. Going to Michael Hart. Dominguez Ricky. Purple Shimmer to 250 Francisco Velorio. Yankees, Michael Hart. Blue Reptilian Refractor to 150 Adriel Radney. Diamondbacks belong to Mike Patrell Stafford. Alright, here comes the choice box. All right, for the red leggings here, Dominic Patelli. The Reds, Doug Brown. Choice auto to 150, Framing De Leon, Red Sox, Doug Brown. And Annabelle Salas at 299, Speckle auto for the Tigers, Kevin Locke. All right, guys, here's your recap. Then we'll draw out the two Bowman packs. Top rookies, Caminero, Dominguez, Holiday, and Yoshi. Francisco Velorio, Refractor to 499. Purple Shimmer to 250, Francisco Velorio. Blue to 150, Jose Castro. Blue Reptilian to 150, Adriel Radney. Your 5 autographed hits, Nehomar Ochoa Jr., Dominic Patelli, Speckle to 299, Annabelle Salas. Purple to 250, Yulfran Castillo. And a choice to 150, Framing De Leon. Mojo choice. All right. Let's go back to our A-tier teams here. 3 clicks. After click 3, the owners of the first 2 teams on the list will win the Bowman packs. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Brewers Twins. So Michael Hart and Mike Patrell Stafford. Let me tag your packs here. Okay, whoops. All right, guys, I'll do it for the break. Thank you for joining in. Thank you again for your support of Firehand Cards, and congrats again to our lucky hitters in the break. Until next one.